Hey, what up everyone? Doing eBay box break 134, 1112 titanium. Last team. Good luck to everyone. Serial number. Five packs. See what we got. Fuck you. Base. Jersey for the Capitals, Mike Green. I don't know, some of these packs are impossible to get into. Here we go. Nice, we're gonna have a pretty crazy random here. We got for the Oilers, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. For the Colorado Avalanche, Landeskog. For the Devils, Larson. And for the Senators, Zibanejad. Numbered 54 out of 75. Crazy card. Random that one after. We got nice for the Winnipeg Jets, New Wave Auto, Mark Scheifele. Big old fat decoy base. Oh nice, here we got for the Red Wings, Rookie Reserve Dual Jersey Auto out of 100, Brendan Smith for the Red Wings. And for the Oilers, jersey of Jordan Eberle. Alright, I'll set up that random real quick here. Alright, here we go. One second here. I got each team in there twice. Oilers, Avs, Devils, Sens. Oilers, Avs, Devils, Sens. I'm going to randomize it 3 times, and the team on top after the third random gets the card. Here we go. 1. Sens on top. 2. Devils on top. Here's your third and final. Senators on top. Congrats to the Sens. Nice card. Here it is one more time. Foursomes jersey. Right on. Thanks everyone for joining. See you next time.